I asked AI to build a business for me, and what happened next completely changed the way I look at online entrepreneurship. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. The challenge begins. The challenge began the moment I decided to hand over the entire business building process to AI, allowing it to control every decision from niche selection to final launch. I wanted to see if artificial intelligence could truly build a profitable Shopify store from scratch, without me doing anything except following its instructions step by step. I wasn't allowed to research products, choose branding, write descriptions, or design anything manually. AI had to do all of it. This rule made the experiment feel both exciting and risky, because the success of the business no longer depended on my experience, but on the AI's ability to analyze trends, predict demand, and construct a functioning online store. I felt a mix of curiosity and pressure, knowing that whatever direction the AI pushed me into, I had to commit to it fully without second guessing. 2. Choosing the niche. When it came time to choose a niche, the AI recommended something I never expected: personalized and aesthetic home decor. Instead of suggesting popular categories like fitness, beauty, or tech gadgets, it directed me toward customizable LED name signs, explaining that these types of product perform extremely well on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest because they are visually appealing, emotionally driven, and highly shareable. The AI pointed out that people love items that feel unique and made specifically for them, and this emotional connection often leads to impulse purchases. It also emphasized that personalization increases perceived value, allowing for higher profit margins without making customers feel overcharged. This was not a niche I had ever considered, but the AI provided trend charts, search data, and engagement metrics that made the decision convincing. 3. Creating the product using AI. Once the niche was selected, the AI moved on to product creation and handled everything from concept design to variations and mock-ups. It generated multiple LED sign styles, fonts, color options, and aesthetic themes that match current viral decor trends. It even suggested product names that would perform well in search results and sound attractive to young buyers. I used AI-generated images to create realistic product previews, complete with room backgrounds and lighting effect that made the signs look professionally photographed. The AI also wrote detailed product descriptions tailored for Shopify, including benefit-driven language, SEO-optimized keywords, and a clear call to action designed to increase conversions. In a matter of minutes, I had product presentation material that would normally take a designer and copywriter several days to complete. 4. Building the Shopify store. Once the product was ready, the AI guided me step by step in building the Shopify store. It recommended a clean, modern theme with a light background so the glowing signs would stand out. It chose a color palette, typography style, banner layout, and homepage structure. I copied the exact homepage structure the AI gave me: a simple hero banner, a section explaining the customization process, social proof blocks, and a clear create your sign call to action. The AI also generated the About Us story, the shipping policy, and the returns policy, making the store feel trustworthy and complete. By following AI's instructions, the store looked professional even though I didn't manually design anything. 5. Branding and identity. Once the store structure was ready, the AI moved on to crafting the entire branding and identity of the business, and this was a moment everything started to feel real. The AI selected a modern, memorable brand name, designed to appeal to people who love aesthetic room decor, and then created a slogan that captured the emotional value of the product in just a few simple words. It built a full visual identity system, choosing a color palette that complemented the glow of the LED signs, mixing soft neutrals with brighter accent tones so the product would stand out whether shown on a website, an Instagram feed, or a TikTok clip. The AI generated different logo concepts, each one clean, minimal, and on-trend, making the brand look like something professionally developed by a creative agency. It even wrote the brand story, explaining why the product exists and what feeling it brings to customers, from adding personality to a bedroom to giving creators a visually striking piece for their gaming or studio setup. By the time the AI finished creating the tone of voice, the brand promise, the style guide, and the personality traits, it was incredible to see how cohesive everything felt. The business didn't look like a random dropshipping store anymore. It looked like a polished, intentional brand built around personalization, emotion, and visual appeal. 6. pricing and profit strategy. The AI then calculated the product pricing based on competitor research and profit margin expectations. It recommended offering 3 sizes of LED signs to increase average order value, with upsells like extra brightness or premium fonts. The AI emphasized psychological pricing, like $59 instead of $60, and suggested bundling add-ons for more profit. It also told me which price would convert best based on market research. This was the first moment I felt like AI wasn't just helping, it was thinking like a real business consultant. 7. Social media content creation and AI ads. Once the branding and store were ready, the AI took over the marketing side of the business, handling both social media content creation and advertising campaigns from start to finish. It generated dozens of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest post ideas complete with video scripts, captions, hashtags, trending audio, and storyboard instructions, ensuring every piece of content was short, engaging, and designed to go viral. The AI even advised on camera angles, room setups, lighting, and props so each clip looked professional without me touching a single camera. On top of that, it created fully optimized ad campaigns, writing multiple ad scripts with strong hooks, benefit-driven explanations, and clear calls to action to maximize clicks and conversions. It also suggested ideal video lengths, transitions, captions, trending audio, and demographic targeting, identifying the audience most likely to purchase aesthetic home decor. Within minutes, I had a complete social media and advertising strategy ready to launch, giving the store both organic reach and paid traffic potential, all without doing any of the creative work myself. 8. Launching the business. Once everything was ready, the store, the products, the branding, the content, and the ads, it was finally time to launch the business, and the feeling was surreal because I had done almost nothing myself. I turned on the AI-generated ad campaigns, posted the social media content, and waited to see if any orders would come in, fully aware that the first few days are usually the slowest while algorithms learn and traffic ramps up. On the very first day, the store made its first sale, a single customized LED sign purchased by someone who saw the TikTok ad, and that tiny notification felt like a huge victory. By the second day, another order came in, and within the first week, the store had generated several $100s in revenue with a healthy profit margin, all without me writing a single line of copy or designing a single graphic. Watching real money come in from a business built almost entirely by AI was surreal, and it proved that if you follow AI's step-by-step process, it's possible to create a functioning online store capable of generating revenue almost immediately, even if you have no prior experience in e-commerce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.